Alright, what's going on YouTube? Sergi here, back with another quick video. Today I have a little modification that I got for the WRX. It's actually something that a lot of people have been telling me to get. So I finally gave in and I ordered this off of Subi Speed. And I'm twisting it off right now, and I'm sure, as you can already guess, well actually by the title of this video and by me twisting this off and looking at it, I went ahead and got a shift knob finally for the WRX. So yeah, I had a lot of people telling me, oh, you should get a shift knob, so I finally gave in. I'm typically a big person on shift knobs. I like them and stuff like that, and I think it just makes, it's a little detail that makes your interior look a little cooler. So I went ahead and I got the Perrin shift knob. I'm not even sure if that's how you pronounce it, Perrin, whatever. But this is going to be stainless steel, and it also weighs exactly 1 pound. They do have 2 different sizes as well. I'm gonna put the link in the description down below from where I ordered it off of Subi Speed. So they have a small and a larger size. Let me pull out the stock shift knob that I put all back in the box. But the smaller one, which I actually kind of regret getting already, the smaller one is a little bit smaller than the stock shift knob that comes with the WRX. And then the large one, I read in the comments, is a little bit bigger than this. And this is a pretty good size. The stock one is a pretty good size. So this is the stock one that comes on a WRX. And then here's a quick close-up of the Perrin shift knob. Not sure if that focuses well there. The sun is in the way today. So you see right there, it has the gears 1 through 6, and then it has the Perrin logo right there on the side. But it's stainless steel. It's a really nice finish, has a good weight to it, even though it's pretty small. And now here's both of them side by side. So right there you can tell that the stock shift knob is a little bit bigger, especially with the leather wrapped around it. This is basically the size of the stock shift knob up until this silver trim piece, and then the leather around the stock shift knob just makes it a little bit bigger. But I did just go for a drive with the new shift knob, and it does feel really good, and I really like it. I do kind of wish I went with the bigger one. I just think it would have fit a little bit better in the hand. This one fits a little bit small in the hand, like when you're shifting and stuff like that. And one thing that I'm getting used to a little bit is that the stock shift knob is like it's like a sphere. It's round, and this one, it kind of has like this flat top right here. So it's round, and then it has a flat top. So I'm kind of getting used to, obviously with like the sphere and just having like a round shape, it cups into your hand a lot better. So with this, I like it, but it's something that I'm getting used to. But it feels really good when you're driving, and it's really easy to install as well. So installing the shift knob on the WRX is a lot more easier than other cars. For example, my STI, you have to like take off the shift boot, and then you have to get a wrench and like twist it the opposite way to loosen the shift knob, then you can take it off. This, you literally just have to twist it off. So if you want to go ahead and uninstall your stock shift knob from your WRX, literally just twist counterclockwise and it'll twist off. You have to do nothing else. Now to install this, it comes with this adjustable thing. I think it's plastic, metal. Yeah, that's metal. So this actually comes in the shift knob, and I should have done this before I actually installed it, but this comes together like that, and this is how you can adjust the height and also the rotation of the shift knob. So basically take this off, take this out of here, it comes in here, take this off, and then twist it onto here. And then this little screw right here at the top, they give you an Allen key, which you don't really even need. You can actually just twist this with your hand. But this is how you go ahead and adjust the rotation on your shift knob to make sure it's straight. And then you literally just go ahead and twist it on. Tighten it up. And then right there, as you can see right there, it looks really nice. I really like the stainless steel finish. I just like the silver. I think it's a nice, sleek, simple, clean look for your interior. And you have some other silver trim pieces in your car that it just matches up really well, like right here, your air vents, And yeah, I was first looking at kind of getting like something either just black, white, or maybe even red, but I ended up going with this, and I really like it. I think it looks really good. And I went and drove the car for a little bit just to see how it feels, and it feels really nice. The throw in the car feels really nice and smooth, and the weight definitely helps out for shifting with the car, and just the throws feel a lot nicer and stuff. And this car, the gearbox already feels nice when it comes stock. For any of you that have driven a WRX or an STI, you know that, you know, if it has like a nice mechanical feel to it, but adding a nice little shift knob like this definitely helps. And like I said, this is the Perrin shift knob. It weighs exactly 1 pound. The camera is having a hard time focusing. But yeah, that's about it. So literally just unscrew your stock shift knob just like that. Just twist it off. It just needs a little bit of elbow grease at first. And like I said, take off the black piece, take that out from the shift knob. They do come together in the box. In the box, it'll come in this little bag, and then you get some instructions, and you also get an Allen key, which is right here. But like I said, you don't even need it. And yeah, just use that little screw up at the top to adjust the rotation. That way it's straight. And yeah, that's literally all you need to know. Definitely recommend this shift knob. I would recommend maybe the bigger one if I feel like it would fit better in the hand. This one feels a little small in the hand, but overall I'm really happy with it. The weight definitely makes a difference. It feels a lot better when you're shifting. And yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, hit that like and subscribe button down below. Show the channel some support. I'll put the link in the description for you guys to go ahead and check the shift knob out on the SubiSpeed website. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.